I'm just going to finish my apple. This is a part of my breakfast. Our power just went on. I'm gonna make a cup of coffee. It's now 10 on the dot. Oh, 3 minutes past 10. And our power's been off. Electricity's been off for 2 hours. So I'm gonna have some coffee now. And then I'm gonna get myself done, ready, and do... Maybe I'll do a workout first and then get myself ready. I'll see. And then I have to do some work. I have to catch up on some editing and things like that. I'm really way behind. I'm actually going to be here with the... I definitely think it's time to get the color off my hair. I don't know if you can tell, but it's red. Look how pretty this one is. So my hair is actually, the roots and everything else is black, but the grey is coming out. It's my anniversary in a few days time, and I want to look cute. It's also my dad's 70th birthday celebration. We're just having a Sunday lunch. That is in a week and a half's time, so the color should still be fine. Hopefully not too much growth. Let's get this dye out of my hair, and then I'm gonna exercise, probably have lunch, and what else? Work. Alright, I just boiled some eggs and I'm gonna make something with 2 of these. I like to pre-boil my eggs, like, well, not a lot of them, but just like 4 at a time. So I'll have 2 and the other 2 I'll have the next day. Let's just see. Right. Get in there. Come on. It's a bit of, it's a lot of ever. Okay, I'm gonna keep a little bit of it, but it's not gonna last very long, so I would like it to just like to use it up. I'm gonna use a little bit that piecey. I'm gonna scrape some of this. Just put it in there. I don't really care. It's cool. Just like really hungry, and I'm not sure if the electricity is going off again. I don't know if it's 2 or 4. So if it is like 2, then it means it's going off very soon. How am I going to cut this? Like that. Well, doesn't matter, does it? Oh shoot, man. Now, how am I going to make this look pretty after I chucked everything in like that? Damn it, Gail. Right, so got some olives. And that's it. Salt, pepper, and maybe a little bit of mayo or oil or something. Like putting a little bit of mayo on every piece of egg. So that's it. Cannot forget the cayenne pepper. And some salt. Rightio, so I just want to bring you in for a closer look. My egg. And underneath is everything else. It's gonna be yummy. So here's my dilemma. Let me first tell you why it's a dilemma. Our electricity is going off in an hour and 45 minutes time. So it's going to be off for about 2 hours, sometimes a little bit more. Do I do my hair? Do I edit? Do I clean the kitchen and make supper? If I don't make supper now, that means 6 o'clock I'm going to have to make the supper. The food will only be done in, well, after 7 towards 8 o'clock. That's too late. Anyways, I think I'm going to make food, clean the kitchen, and if there's time left over, which I don't think there will be, I'll eat it, and then I'll hopefully do my hair tonight. This is my natural hair. It's not wet, it's what you call it, damp, but this is the natural hair. I haven't brushed it out or anything. I just did this with my fringe, and yeah, not the natural color though. The darker color is more of the natural color. But what I did is I put the dye in on the roots and I spread it out to connect with this. Obviously it didn't, but hopefully the gray roots will be a little bit more red. Let me get supper done and clean my kitchen, and then I think if the power comes on at 6 or after 6, then I'm not sure what schedule we are on today. It might go off at 10 or at 12 tonight again. Not sure. I am racing against time, so I really don't think I should film this, because then it's setting up the camera and all this, and I don't have the time. I've got an hour and 35 minutes to get things done before this damn power goes off. So let's get to it. So let's get it done. This is what's left of my food that I made the night before, and I gave my family also some with the chicken and veg that they had. So that's just rice that I'm going to just keep in this container. I might freeze it in, I might just leave it in the fridge, and I might make a meal out of that, or some stir fry or something with that. And it's probably going to do me 2 portions. Over here I've got 2 meals, and this is butternut, carrots, I think it's sugar beans and the rice at the bottom, and that they are equal. I weighed everything out, so this is gonna do me 2 meals, and I've already had a meal last night, so when I do make, I make enough for more than one evening. Can't really see it there. 320, and that's good timing. It's done. Alright, so the power's about to go off, and I'm just gonna have a snack. It's banana with peanut butter, my coffee, and my water. Right, this is my plate of food for tonight. It's still cold because I just wanted to show you guys while I still have good light in the house my meal, and I'll have it after 6 when the power comes back on, when I have electricity. My stew and beetroot. Sun setting. Hope it's not too dark in here. As you can see, I got my hair done. Well, nothing perfect, just let me put you down over here. Get you up. Hi there. Why is it not focusing on my face? My face, focus on my face. So I know my diet is not exactly perfect, but I am holding myself accountable. I am trying to be consistent. Weight loss is done in the kitchen. It's your diet. Fitness is done through exercise. Total health is a combination of both. That's at least what I believe. I think everything is okay in moderation. All I can do is strive for balance, stay consistent, and hold myself accountable. I just wanted to give another little 5 cents on that topic. And I'm doing the shorts basically to keep myself accountable. As I said, my diet's not perfect. I can see days where I actually shouldn't have had something, or should have maybe had a little bit more to eat. So that is sort of like a diary, and it keeps me accountable for my actions and what I put in my mouth. And I'm also hoping to inspire someone. Sometimes you just don't know what to eat. I mean, I get in that rut as well. And so I'm hoping this could help someone. Give them some food ideas or some inspo or something. I know my stuff isn't always aesthetic, but I try. And we are out. Are you there, Ali? No problem, come. Anyways, if you made it this far, thank you so much. You are a star. Thank you for hanging with me. I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.